So, good evening guys. So, another episode naman uli ni Boss G TV. So, ang topic natin for today is negosyo na allowed na mag-operate sa MECQ o tinatawag na Modified Extended Community Quarantine. Ito ay mag-i-start sa May 16 until 31, 2020. So, bago natin sisimulan itong topic na to, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for more updates. Sana supportahan nyo itong YouTube channel ko. At ito, simulan na natin. So, ano nga ba yung business na allowed under MECQ o tinatawag na Modified Extended Community Quarantine? So, 50% ito pinapagaya na mag-operate ang mga sumusunod. So, banggitin ko, hardware store, clothing and accessories store, mall-based government frontline services, hardware stores, bookstores, school and office supply stores, baby care supply stores, pet food stores, IT, communication and electronic equipment stores, flower shop, jewelry, novelty, perfume shops, toy stores, maliban sa mga amusement area and playground. So, pinapayagan na rin yung beverage manufacturing, kasama dito ang alcoholic drinks, computer and electronic and optical products manufacturing, electric equipment manufacturing. So pinapayagan na rin ng real estate activities, essential public and private construction, office, administrative and office support like billing and photocopying, hotel accommodation para sa long-term booking simula May 1. Security and investigation services, financial services like money exchange and insurance, legal and accounting services, management and consultancy services, computer programming. So pinapayagan na rin ang sales of motor vehicles, motorcycles and bicycles, including repair shops. Ngunit meron pong pinagbawal muli na dati pinayagan, kaya ngayon hindi na. So, bawal na ulit sa ECQ, MECQ, at GCQ ang salon and barber shops. So, ayan po. At idadagdag ko rin po pala, pinagbabawal pa rin po yung public transportation. So, pinapayagan lang po yung mga private vehicles, motorcycle na single motorcycle na isa lang ang sakay, tsaka bicycle, yun lamang po. So inuulit ko po, sana po supportahan ito ang YouTube channel ko. Pakiclick lamang po ang subscribe at ang bell notification for more updates. So good night and God bless all. Always take care and always think safety.